Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can go ahead and create production on TranZact in bulk by using an Excel file. So we do have a functionality where you can go ahead and just use the Excel file and can create multiple processes at a time. So we do have a template for this. Let me show you how you can use it and how it is done. So first of all, you need to go to browse module. On your left hand side, please click on browse module option. After that, you need to go to production. Click on production. Once you will come in production control center on your right hand side, there's an option of create new. Click on create new, and here you will see an option of upload file. There is an option of download template as well. So you need to click on download template and a template will get downloaded. I have already saved a template. Let me share that template and on the screen, and let me show you that what all details you need to fill and how you can create it. So let me quickly just switch my screen. So yeah, so please check, this is the Excel template which get downloaded. So please check, there are headers already provided like item ID, item name, document series, BOM number, quantity, UOM. So these few details are mandatory like item ID, item name, document number, BOM number, quantity, UOM, just like you fill it in the production process. After that, the FGS store, RM store, and scrap store, you need to mention it. And here it is for the use same store in all sub process, yes or no. So you need to fill all the detail, item ID. Do remember that these are case sensitive. So please check for any formulation. Please check for any format which is applied on Excel. Please, I would request to please keep it in original template. Now, after filling all the details, just save this, go back to our TranZact. Now we will come back to TranZact. Now here is the page where I need to go ahead and upload this particular file. Click on upload file. Now I will select this particular template. It will say upload successful. Now click on submit. Yeah, I can define that at what process it will get submitted. I can go ahead and see, I can go ahead and select the publish, or I can just create the process. So suppose let's click on publish, click on submit. Please check, my production process is created and currently is in pending. Now, so in this way you can upload multiple item and can create an production process. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and create production process in bulk. Please check for errors once you upload the file. In any chance, if you are getting an error, please check for the fields or reach us on our support chat. We will be there to assist you. Have a good day ahead.